Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll see how to connect Google Sheets with Google Contacts using Integrately. Automatically update your new contacts details straight up in your Google Sheets. First, head over to Integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. First, select Google Sheets as your trigger application. Next, search for and select Google Contacts as your second application to create the automation pair. Now from the list of pre-built options, activate the automation to create a Google Sheets row for each new Google Contacts entry. We'll first be prompted to connect your Google Contacts account and grant the necessary permissions. After that, connect your Google Sheets account and select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where you want to add the new data. In the Automation Builder, you can customize the workflow. For example, map the display name from Google Contacts to the email address column in your sheet. Once everything is set up, test the automation and turn it on to make it live. You'll find the direct links to set up this automation in the description below. And that's it. We just learned how to connect Google Contacts with Google Sheets using Integrately. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more details.